এই বিল্ডিং থাকি আমি ইলেকশন কন্ডাক্ট করেছি, তখন জয়ন্ত কন্টেস্ট করেছিল, সে জিতেছে। সেটাও 30 বছর আগে। ইলেকশন হয় রেগুলারলি, তারপরে খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়। আমি তখন রিটার্নিং অফিসার ছিল এখানে। এটা আমার একটা মেমোরি। আর যখন প্রেস কাউন্সিল বলেছেন, প্রেস কাউন্সিলটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি কতটা মিসকনসেপশন আছে, এটা আপনার নিজের বডি। সবাই ভাবে কি এটা টুথলেস টাইগার, এটা গভর্নমেন্ট অর্গানাইজেশন। এটা সেরকম কিছু না। আউট অফ 28 members, 20 are journalists, and out of these 20, none of them are appointed by the government, by the government. We all associations, unions, from big newspaper, small newspaper, agencies, medium newspapers, working journalists, other than editors, they come. They contest first, then they are nominated by their respective association and other things. Council or government has no role in their district. To speak you briefly, this is basically a quasi-judicial body. It decides cases against the press and for the press. Whatever complaint, if somebody has, you have some complaint against anybody, you can file, and if anybody has a complaint against you, they can file in the press council. The difference between the press council and the court is press council is easiest and most cheapest and quickest way to settle a complaint. You don't have to go, suppose you want to file a complaint say against Dainik Samvad or Paper Observer or Paper Darpan, whichever paper might be. You just have to file, it is all online. You have to file the online complaint. Then if you can go to Delhi, it is okay. Otherwise you can send written complaint, or you can send your counsel also. If nothing, you send your written reply. Case will be heard based on that written reply. Like other court, if you seek adjournment, you can seek adjournment also. And from my experience, what I have seen, no expenditure involved. And what we have done after this special new chairman came, the courts are notorious for having lot of pending cases. It goes on and on, this thing. As of today, there is no pending case of 1920. Even this month, January is for the last but one day. There is no case of January 20 which is pending, except the adjourned cases. What we have done, instead of people coming to Delhi, we go to different regions depending on the cases. Suppose we see in eastern region there are 50 cases or 60 cases in a month or two. Then we come to either Calcutta or Patna or even Agartala or any nearest or Bhubaneswar and call, so that it becomes easier for people complaining to come. And there is a calendar. Earlier, unlike earlier situation now, every month there is a schedule, 2 bench meet every month and they clear the cases. Gradually, what we have found, the cases against the press is increasing more than the cases by the press. And earlier, nobody was taking note of the press's judgments. Nowadays, once a paper is censored, the advertisement from DAP will be stopped. So people have started taking it seriously. Many cases you can ignore, either ignorance or deliberate. The media scene is totally different now. So many newspapers, but very less accountability. So that is a disturbing fact. And secondly, now the majority of media is now TV, electronics or digital media. So that is right now not under, strictly not under press council, but still we are taking cases when there is an attack on media. You cannot say that print media were attacked, TV was not attacked, or TV is attacked, or print is not attacked. So we have started taking cases, but government is coming out with a media council, where they will take persons from all sections, media, print, electronic, digital, and it will be a media council. So that hopefully will give us a larger scope. Now, if you have any any doubt about press council, you can ask me. And about my career, my best of my career was here only, because by the time I came here, I was having 4 years experience, 5 years experience in Delhi and Odisha in my home state, So that experience I could use here. And whatever I have done after this Agartala stint, I went to Guwahati, then to Delhi. Till date, I consider my Agartala stint is the best. I could work in the field. So that was the message. Delhi journalism is